From this to this. Welcome to my channel with another interesting video, and today I am going to tell you how can you do smooth photo editing on iPhone. And this setting also applies on video as well. First, you have to open Editing section in Photos. Go to Filters and select Dramatic Filter. Now go to Adjust section. Here set exposure to -10. Brilliance to 10. Highlights to 14. Shadows to 5. Contrast to 12. Brightness to 5. Saturation at 7. Vibrancy at 3. Warmth at -8. Tint to 5. Sharpness to 15. Definition to 10. Noise reduction to 6. And vignette at 7. After doing this setting to photos or even videos, you will get very smooth and cool looking photos like this. So by following this method, you can make your photos look more beautiful and attractive. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.